Hi my friends. Today I have brought for you a new amazing video, and it's on about how to edit videos using Clipchamp. Let me first open Clipchamp here on Start menu. Remember that Clipchamp came with latest new version of Windows 11 22H2. This is the software. It have good looking editing interface, so in this video I'm going to show you all the step on how you can edit the video using this software. Here you can see it has feature of create a video, even you can record something on your computer. When I scroll down you can see it has a lot of templates to use when editing videos. This will be so good to those that making videos like that of YouTube. So in this I'm to show you all the steps, so follow this video so that you don't miss out any single step, and please don't forget to subscribe on this channel. Okay. Here click on create a video. Here you can see the interface of Clipchamp. Here is where you can drag your media like videos, audios, and images. Then here you can record and create. As you can see, you can record your screen with camera at the same time, camera recording only, screen recording only, or even you can do text to speak. It really amazing video editor. Clipchamp has a lot of templates to use for your video. It's really so amazing. It has free and paid music and sound effects to use when editing videos. It came with free stock videos to use for your project, and I'm going to show to you how you can use some of them. You see stock images, free and paid one for your project. Again you can see it has text templates to use, and just follow the video so that I show to you how you can use all of them. You see the amazing transition and to show you how you can apply all of them. Okay. On this side you can see the preview window. Here is the timeline of whereby you can drag and drop media files. These one are editing tools, so let me start. Here you can drag and drop your media file to the timeline so that you start editing. Or you can click the plus to add your media file. Here click on browser file. Select the file that you want to edit. Now click on your media. Here is the file, just drag and drop it on the timeline. Now you can use this plus or minus button to zoom in or zoom out your project. Okay. Now to play the media you just need to press the space button. Now if I want to add the text, just click on this. Now here find the text template that you would like to use. Drag and drop it here at the top of the video. Here you can resize the template by pressing the edges. Now on this side you can enter any information that you would like to use, so that changes takes press. Press the space button to see how it's going to be. It's amazing. So you can find more and more text templates to use with this Clipchamp. Then press S on your keyboard or press on the split, then press delete to remove the clip. Then move this clip on this side. Okay. Again, if you want to add transitions, you can just move where you joined the clips, then drag and drop it in between. Here you see there is a lot of transitions. Let me drag this one. Even adjust colors like exposure, saturation, temperature, constant. So I will be making a video on about color grading using Clipchamp. Now let me show to you how you can add stock videos. Here you will find more and more free stock video, but let me add this lower third subscribe clip. Click on this plus button or drag it to the top of video clip. Then here organs to where you want the file to be. Okay, here you can resize the clip, and even you can add more according to your choice. Now let's add some music effects to this project. Here you can see there is a lot of music to use with no copyright. The good thing with software, you can search the music that you would like to use. Now this one is free. Click on Add to the timeline. Now drag to the place you want to be. Here you can click on the media to increase or decrease the volume. Even you can fade in or fade out the audio. Okay. Here you can select the video quality that you would like to export. For me, I would like to export 1080p as HD. Here the video will start to export. But remember, using Clipchamp, you must be with a good internet. But please don't forget to leave a comment if you found this video helpful. Done. Now the video will save to the computer. Here is the video that I have edited. Okay, so now if you want to use all the features, you can see they have essential plan for everyday editors. First month $7.99, then $11.99 per month. So you can upgrade to access all the features for free and you enjoy the editing. So lastly, you can use this software to record your computer screen for free. I will show that in my next video on about Clipchamp. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. We meet in the next video.